Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I have another Christmas DIY for you, and this one is part of a collaboration organized by the channel name Video Creator Collabs. If you would like to be part of a collaboration with the Video Creator Collabs and other YouTube channels, you can look in the description. You will find a link to Video Creator Collabs Facebook page. You can send a message or you can look for the email, and we'll be more than happy to collaborate with you. In this video, I am going to make a very cute DIY that you will like. You can add it to your Christmas decoration, and you can even use it as a centerpiece. I'm going to start the project by putting together those two pieces of wood that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. Normally the small one came in a package that has several of them inside, and the other one, the big one, comes all by itself. Everything can be found at the Dollar Tree. And also I'm using acrylic paint for that project. I will let you enjoy the video, and you can take time. You see how I use every little thing that I purchased at the Dollar Tree for that project, and you will let me know if you like it and what would you do different in a comment below. If it's your first time to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and give me a like if you like the video. You can also share it in your social media platform or with a friend. Keep watching, guys, and watch the next video that come after. Click the notification so you can receive all my videos. Happy holiday, guys. Enjoy.